Good morning, everyone. Probably you're wondering why is Miss Martha wearing one earring and why does she carry a stick? I will explain it to you in 1 second. Today we're going to learn about number one. That's why I have only one earring, and the stick. That's still a mystery. I also brought with me today a story that's called One Little Egg. And one little blue egg is rumbling and tumbling down the hill. Can any of the animals catch it? Let's find out with this extra funny story. Okay? Once upon a time in a tall oak tree sat one little egg, blue as could be. Then the wind came along with the mighty whoosh and gave that one little egg a push. Down, down, down it dropped like the lead, bouncing off one squirrel's head. See, it bounced off. Then rumble, tumble away it sped. Stop that egg, the squirrel said. See, the squirrel's running after the egg, saying, stop that egg. But the egg kept rolling on instead, bouncing off one lizard's head. See, there's the second animal again, egg bounced off. Rumble, tumble away it sped. Stop that egg, the lizard said. See, they're all shouting, stop that egg. Do you think they will be able to stop it? Let's see. But the egg kept rolling on instead, bouncing off one's bunny's head. Wow, they cannot stop it. Rumble, tumble away it sped. Stop that egg, the bunny said. Look how many animals. We have squirrel, lizard, and a bunny. And now who is on the way? You're right, it's turtle. But the egg kept rolling on instead, bouncing off one turtle's head. So how many animals we already have? 1, 2, 3, 4. And the egg keeps rolling. Rumble, tumble away it sped. Stop that egg, the turtle said. Then, lo and behold, it came to a rest, miles away from its snug little nest. Oh no, said the bunny. I see a crack. I think we all should take one step back. Do you see? That egg has a little crack. How many animals are watching the egg? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 animals and still 1 egg. Who's gonna come out? Then, chip, 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 the egg broke into bits and out popped one robin, lickety split. Here is the robin bird, red one. Sorry I hurt you, the robin sighed. That gust of wind took me for a ride. No problem, said the lizard. Let's all be friends. And now it's how our story ends. So how many animals do we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you remember, boys and girls, in the beginning what happened? The wind blew off the egg, right? The egg bounced off what was the first animal? Squirrel. Then it kept rolling, bounced off lizard's head, and it kept rolling, then bounced off bunny's head, and kept rolling, bounced off turtle's head, and kept on rolling. And now 4 of them were running after. Now we know it cracked, and the little friend, red robin, came out of the egg. Was Robin sorry? Yes, it wasn't his fault, right? Because the wind blew it, that's all. Now, look at this picture. 1 rabbit, can you find 1 rabbit, 1 bunny, 1 beaver too, and 1 fish swimming in a cool lake of blue? Do you see it? Do you see the bunny? Do you see the robin? and a beaver. I see rabbit, bunny, beaver. I also see a fish swimming. What other animals appear only one at a time? Do you see any other animals? They're just one. What do you see? I see snake. I see a skunk. I see a deer. What else do you see? I see a fox. I see a duck. How about butterflies? Is it one or more? You're smart. It's more. Very good. How about bumblebees? There's more than one as well. Good job, boys and girls. Now listen. Hooray for one. Let's clap one time and touch the ground. Let's jump one time and spin around. Let's stomp one time and cheer and shout for a wonderful number we cannot live without. Number 1. Can we do it again? Miss Marta is going to read it and let's do it. Right? Let's clap one time and touch the ground. Go to the ground. Let's jump one time and spin around. Very good. Let's stomp one time and cheer and shout for the wonderful number we cannot live without. And what number is that? Number 1. And all of you boys and girls are my number ones. Now let's look at our board and we're going to learn how to actually make the number 1, how to write it down. So look, it's very, very easy. You did a wonderful job with 0. Let's see if we can do it with number 1. Number 1 is like a stick, a straight line that is very quick. That's why Miss Marta brought the stick, because number 1 is just like a stick, straight line, very, very straight. We start on the top, just like you see here, the dot, and go all the way down. That's it. So we're going to take the marker, start on the top line, and go all the way down. Again, straight line, top, all the way down. Start all the way down. Very good, boys and girls. I think you are wonderful. You can do it very, very well. And I would like to give you some homework to complete. For preschool 3, I have a beautiful picture of angel, just like you, my little ones. Please color the angel and color the number 1. Can you do it? I'm sure you can. Very good. So that's going to be your homework. Now, for pre-K 4, we also have an angel here, and lots of number 1s. You will have to practice. Please trace first. Then start on the dots, go all the way down. Then the next 2 lines you will have to practice on your own. In the corner, you have different numbers, 1, 2, and 3. And 2, 1, and 3. Please match them together. So this is for preschool 4. Also, for both, if you would like to do it, we have number practice. We have number 1 on the top. So please finish writing number 1. Color the word 1. 1 is spelled O-N-E. We have 1 star that we need to color, and we need to do the 1 square only, because this is our 10 frame. We are learning about number 1, so we need to color only 1. You will have 2 homeworks like this. You see, practice, and 1 more that we need to color number 1 and color only 1 circle. So remember, we're going to do those as well. So let's go over again. Pre-K 3 will do the angel. Pre-K 3 can also do number 1 and 1 circle. That's going to be easier for you. And pre-K 4 will do 2 sheets with number 1 and 1 more with number 1. If any of you preschool 3 or preschool 4 students would like to do more, all of them will be on our school website, so you can actually take all of them and then practice a little bit more. But for now, boys and girls, it's time for Miss Marta to go. I need to find my other earring. Bye guys, have a good one.